Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and today I'm thrilled to take a closer look at the Bosch RA1141 router table. Whether you're a hobbyist tinkering in a garage or a seasoned craftsman upgrading your workshop, choosing the right router table can dramatically influence both efficiency and precision. In this review, I'll walk you through everything from setup experience and portability to adjustability and long-term durability, all while keeping an eye on value for the money. I'll share the moments that stood out during hands-on testing, highlight any quirks you might encounter, and let you know whether this tool lives up to its promise at a $155 price point. So let's dive right in and see how this compact, yet capable workhorse performs when the dust actually starts to fly. When I first unboxed the Bosch RA1141 router table, the sheer heft of the cast aluminum top caught my attention. It's solid enough that I momentarily wondered if it was steel. That weight translates directly into rigidity, which means less vibration and cleaner cuts, especially when I'm routing delicate dovetail joints or trimming the edges of a plywood panel. The heavy-duty mounting plate is a standout feature. It holds the router snugly and can be fine-tuned, so the bit sits perfectly flush with the tabletop. At $155, the table offers a premium feel without the boutique price tag, making it an attractive option for both the weekend woodworker and the semi-professional looking for a reliable base without breaking the bank. One of the biggest practical wins, for me, is the table's portability. It's compact enough to tuck into a modest workshop corner or even a garage loft, yet sturdy enough that I can clamp it securely to my existing workbench without needing a dedicated stand. This flexibility has let me move the table from my main shop to a client site in a single afternoon, saving time and avoiding the headache of transporting a heavier, stationary unit. The integrated aluminum fence slides smoothly and locks with a satisfying click, giving me repeatable positioning for repeatable cuts, essential when I'm making a batch of identical mortises or rabbets for a furniture set. The assembly process is where opinions tend to split, but my experience leaned toward the positive side. Bosch provides a detailed paper manual that includes true-to-size diagrams of every bolt and washer, which is a lifesaver when you're dealing with a kit that contains over 150 parts. The step-by-step instructions remove much of the guesswork, and the quality of the fasteners feels automotive-grade, no stripped heads or cheap plastic nuts in sight. While some users may find the sheer number of pieces a bit daunting, the clarity of the documentation makes the time spent on construction feel like a worthwhile investment rather than a chore. Adjustability is another area where the RA1141 shines, though not without its quirks. The fence height and bit height adjustments are both precise and quick to set, allowing me to drop the router bit into position in under a minute. However, the mechanism can be a tad finicky if you're not familiar with the tension settings. A little over-tightening can make the adjustment feel stiff, while under-tightening can introduce unwanted play. In my day-to-day work, I've learned to strike a balance, and once that sweet spot is found, the adjustments remain solid throughout a full day of routing, be it for simple edge forming or more intricate inlay work. Durability under real-world conditions is where the RA1141 proves its worth. The aluminum miter channel, while initially feeling a bit flexible at its outer ends, can be reinforced with a simple DIY fix, drilling a couple of small holes and adding extra screws to anchor it directly to the tabletop. After making that tweak, the channel holds up perfectly even when I'm using heavy accessories or pulling large workpieces across it. The overall construction feels robust enough to handle the occasional bump in a busy shop, and the high-quality materials give confidence that the table will hold its shape and performance for years to come. Overall, the Bosch RA1141 offers a compelling blend of solid construction, thoughtful design, and affordability that resonates with my own workflow. I appreciate the blend of portability and stability, The ease of setup, once you get past the initial parts inventory, and the fine-tuned adjustability that lets me move from hobby projects to more demanding tasks without swapping equipment. While the adjustment knobs can be a bit stiff, if not set just right, and a minor reinforcement may be needed for the miter channel, these are small trade-offs for a router table that delivers consistent, clean cuts day after day. For anyone looking to upgrade from a makeshift bench-mounted solution or just starting out in woodworking, this table provides a professional foundation without the premium price tag. Thanks for watching. If you found this Bosch RA1141 rundown useful, give the video a thumbs up and tap subscribe, so you never miss another tool that can tighten your daily workflow. Let's keep building your sharper projects together, one solid cut at a time, and stay ahead of the grain.